One evening as I rambled all among the leaves so green, I overheard a young woman converse with Renadine. Her hair was black, her eyes were blue, her lips as red as wine, and he smiled to gaze upon her. Did that sly boy Renadine? She said, "Kind sir, be civil, my company for sake, for in my own opinion I fear you are a rake." "Oh no," he said, "no rake am I, brought up in being astray, and I'm seeking for concealment along the lonesome plain, and your beauty so enticed me I could not pass it by. So it's with my gun I'll guard you along the mountain high. And if by chance you shall look for me, perhaps you'll not me find, for I'll be in my castle, inquire for Renadine. Sun and dark she followed him, his teeth did brightly shine, and he led her over the mountain. Did that sly boy Renadine?
Song written by an American sort of folky country singer called Michael Curley, and it starts off with that's the bit that I can use your help with.
Oh, the werewolf comes stepping along. He don't even break the branches where he's been gone. You can hear his long holler from away across the moon. That's a